Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna present you another car model, and this time we're gonna see BMW 7 Series E65. The E65 is the 7 Series that came after the legendary E38. It came out with a very different modern design and it looks cool, nice and modern even today. The car had many wheel designs, but in my opinion the wheels that look best on the car are the BMW Style 95 wheels, which this one have right there. I already took it out of the box, and without further ado, let's start with the video. The model is very well made and the car looks very realistic. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe down below for more great videos. Thank you. Bye.